So, moving away from the side of the road, the first thing we want to do is what's called the POM routine.
Okay.
It stands for preparation, observation, manoeuvre.
Okay.
So the preparation part is we're going to push the clutch down fully.
Yeah.
Then we're going to select first gear. Then we're going to bring the clutch up slowly to its biting point, which is about halfway.
Okay.
And then I want you to keep the left foot still.
Yeah.
Okay. Once we've got our biting point, we will then do our observations. We're going to look all around us. It's called a 6-point check, or a 360, or some people just say look all around you, but it's over your left shoulder, door mirror, interior ahead, right door mirror, and then a right shoulder. Now around about here, we're going to ask ourselves, would a signal benefit another road user?
Okay.
So we've got a road on the right here, so we're probably not going to put a right signal on.
No.
Because people will think we're turning right. So if there are any vehicles coming for the moment, we're going to wait for them to pass before we get going.
Okay.
When we're moving away at faster speeds, and we need to move away more quickly, we're going to use that gas, and I'll talk you through how to move away with the gas once we grasp just moving away with the clutch. Okay?
Okay, that's fine.
So we've done our observations. We're not going to put a signal on in this situation. We've looked over our right shoulder. We're now releasing the handbrake.
Yeah.
We're looking into the road. The car is going to start moving. We're going to adjust our steering wheel slightly to the right, come away from the curb a little bit, and then we're just going to check our mirrors for an update in the road.
Okay, yeah.
First, moving off, we're not going to go really far. We're going to go past this junction on the left, and then we're going to look to stop. The routine we're going to use for stopping. Have you heard of MSPSL before?
No.
No. Okay, so firstly, before we start MSPSL, it's important that we try and find a safe place to stop.
Okay.
As you obviously haven't been out on the roads before, I'm going to help you with that part.
Yeah.
But some little things to take into consideration when we're stopping is try to avoid stopping near junctions.
Yeah.
We don't want to block driveways. We don't want to stop on bends, that sort of stuff. There's loads of rules for stopping and where you shouldn't stop. And as the lessons go on, I'll keep pointing these out to you.
Yeah.
So we found a nice safe place to stop. This is where we're going to start our routine, MSPSL.
Okay.
So the first thing we're going to do is check our mirrors. Which mirrors do you think we should check? We're going to be pulling up on the left. Which ones do you reckon we should check?
The left one?
We are going to check that, but before we check that one, which one do you think we should check first?
That one?
Yeah, good. So it's always the interior mirror first, and then the door mirror.
Okay.
And then, depending on what's around us, we're going to put a signal on.
Okay.
For now, we're most likely going to put a signal on, but I'll help you with that. When there's nobody around, we don't really need a signal. But for now, we're probably going to put a signal on.
Okay, yeah.
We'll start adjusting our position. So we've got a little focal point on the car. See the silver dot there?
Yeah.
Sorry, that one there. When that's in line with the curb, that's kind of your stopping position.
Okay.
This one here is your driving position. So when you look at that, it's probably over the curb at the moment. So when your focal point on the right is in line with the curb, that looks like we've got a good stopping position. We're going to be braking gently and slowing the car down. And then just before the car judders, we're going to push the clutch down fully, continue to brake.
Yeah.
Just as the car comes to a stop, you might need to come off the brakes slightly and then reapply to stop that little lurch.
Okay.
Both feet are to the carpet, or both feet are down, the clutch is down, the foot's on the brake.
Yeah.
Now we need to secure the car. So it's going to be handbrake, neutral.
Okay.
And then we can cancel our signal and rest our feet.
That's fine.
Okay?
Yeah.
The end. Okay. I know that's a hell of a lot of information to remember, but hopefully, because I've gone through it with you, you can recall it a little bit better when we're moving, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
Any questions before we get going?
No.
Okay. So, with the first moving off, how do you feel about me just talking you through it all?
Yes, please,
Do you think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So, if you want to start the engine for me, so in this car it's clutched down fully, and then we press that start button. Okay, so let's palm the gear lever into first gear.
Okay.
Put that behind us. Okay, so we're in first gear, so now just bring the clutch up slowly to the biting point, keeping the left foot where it is there. Okay. Can you feel the tug at the front of the bonnet?
Yeah.
The car wants to move away. Why can't it move away?
The handbrake?
That's it, good. Do you feel it just sounded like it was going to stall there? That's
Yeah.
because you brought the clutch up a bit high, so just keep it there for me. We've done the preparation part. Now let's do the observations. We're looking over the left shoulder, door mirror, interior, looking ahead. Oops, it's starting to rain. Let's put our wipers on. Okay, and we're going to look over, we're going to reset those observations because we've had to faff around putting the wipers on. So it's the left shoulder, left door mirror, interior mirror. We've got a car behind us. Should we wait for them to go?
Yeah.
Go past us, yeah. Right door mirror, right shoulder, handbrake down, keeping that left foot where it is. Bring the clutch up slightly higher, but not all the way up. A little bit higher for me with the clutch. That's it. Hold the clutch there. Come away from the curb for me a little bit. Okay, well done. Good. Little bit of juddering as we moved off there, but that was good. Good start. Okay, so we're just checking our mirrors, interior and right door. Nobody's behind us, which is brilliant. We're going to keep it at this speed because we're going to look to do our first stops shortly, and it's going to be after this road here. So it's going to be interior mirror, left door mirror, left signal on, focal point in line with the curb, no gas. Come off that gas for me. Good. Is it in line?
Yeah.
Good. And then it's clutch down because we're going quite slow, and then just very brake, gently on the brake. Oh, that's it. Good. Keep both feet still.
Yeah.
If you bring that clutch up now, don't do it. What is going to happen? We're going to stall. We don't want that.
No.
So it's handbrake, neutral, cancel the signal, and you can relax.
Okay.
So that's your first moving off. How did that feel?
Good, actually, yeah.
Good. So, not a lot that I can really sort of say went wrong there. Maybe when we moved away, we brought the clutch up a little bit too high. We just need to let the car move forwards a bit more.
Okay.
And then we bring it up fully. So let the car go forwards maybe another half a car length.
Yeah.
So see the stick in the road?
Yeah.
Sticks in the road. When the car travels to that point there, then you can bring the clutch up.
Okay, that's fine.
Should we give it another go?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Take that down. Good. Let's give it a go then.
Okay.
So, good. Into first. Good. Bring the clutch up to the biting point. Do you remember what to do now?
Look over my shoulder.
We want to do observations. All of them though. So that's it. Good. And then that one. Good. And we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, keeping that left foot still this time. Good. When we get to the stick, we're going to bring the clutch up slowly. Good. And then we're just checking our mirrors and we're in business. We're moving. So we will apply a little bit of gas this time. Rain's decided to come on again, so that's it with a wiper. Good. A little bit of gas here, and we're just going to check our interior mirror and right door mirror. We're going to go around. We're going to give way to this silver car. So clutch down and brake gently to stop for me. Brake to stop, 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 stop. Good. Keep both feet where they are. Now, I want you to bring the clutch up to the biting point, but no higher. Check your mirrors, interior and right door mirror. Come off the brake, keep the left foot still. Keep the left foot still. Good. Good. Well done. And then we're going to come around this car. Good. Back to the left for me a bit, and then straighten. You dealt with that really well. Straighten up a bit more to the right. That's it, good. So, you can keep an eye on this one here now. Does that look as if it's in line with the curb?
Yeah, I think so.
And that's your driving focal point. You can glance in the door mirror as well. Does it look like you're about a drain width from the curb?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we want. Don't look in there too long, though. We might swash something. Okay. So, this is good. And what we're going to do, we're going to pull up on the left by after this lamppost. So we'll just get past the bend.
Okay.
So do you remember the routine?
I think so.
Okay, so what's the first thing we need to do?
Signal.
Interior mirror and left door mirror. And then what do you want to do? That's it, good. And then do you know what we do next?
Off the gas.
Line it up with a curb, focal point.
Yep.
Good. And we want to stop after the driveway, not in front of it.
Okay.
And then it's clutch down.
Yeah.
That's it. And then brake gently to stop. Good. Keeping both feet still.
Yeah.
This is looking good. What do we do next?
Get out of gear?
Almost. Is handbrake first?
Oh, yeah.
Neutral. And then cancel signal. So, the reason why we use the handbrake first when we stop, why do you think that is?
Just so you know you're definitely going to stop.
We've stopped, the car's not moving.
Yeah.
But you notice that car went past us?
Yeah.
What if he smashed into us behind? He wasn't paying attention.
Oh, yeah.
If we've got the handbrake on, how far will the car travel?
Not very far.
If the handbrake's down though, how far could the car travel?
Further.
It could go quite far. We could end up going into that lamppost.
Yeah.
So that's why we go for the handbrake first.
Okay.
And then neutral. Okay. Any questions?
No.
No? Do you think you could do the next moving off on your own? I'll sort of observe and just pop in and help you if you get stuck?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just remember the routine is POM.
Mm-hmm.
What does it stand for?
Prepare.
Good.
Observation.
Good.
And then move off.
That's it. Manoeuvre. Good. We'll take the wipers down again.
Oh, yeah.
That's it. Okay, let's give it a go then.
Okay. Oh.
Good decision. So when we're waiting for vehicles to pass, we'll have to reset our observations.
Okay, so do the mirrors again.
That's it. Good. Well done. You don't need me anymore. Okay, so we've got this car coming towards us. It is our priority. So we're just going to creep forwards as we are. A little bit more gas now, so we're not holding up. Way. Okay. A little bit more gas. Take it up to about 10. That's it. How do you feel about doing second gear?
Yeah.
Okay, right. So what we need to do is we need to come off the gas, clutch down fully, and then go for second gear. Clutch back up, and as you bring the clutch up, back on the gas. That's it, good. And then we're just going to check our mirror and come off the gas because we're going to look at doing another stop. Do you think you can do this stop on your own?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a go then. Well done. Good. Okay. It's not bad at the moment. So we are a little bit far away from the curb. So if you just put it into first gear for me.
Okay.
Okay. And we're just going to, this is a good opportunity to practice our clutch control a little bit. We're going to check our mirrors first.
Yeah.
Make sure there's no one going, and we're just going to creep forwards with the clutch. Just bring the clutch up a little bit to its bite. That's it. And just come a little bit closer to the curb. That's it. And then come away again and straighten. Good. Clutch. That's it. Good. Well done. And then what do we do?
Handbrake and then gear.
Good. Signal come off for us, but I need to come off probably slightly early. So just remember to put it back on if it does come off.
Okay.
So everything was brilliant there.
Yeah.
When we stopped though, we were a little bit far away from the curb.
Okay.
If you glance in your door mirror now,
Yeah.
does that look like a drain width?
Yeah, I'd say so.
What sort of distance were you when we stopped initially?
Quite a bit more.
Yeah, maybe it looked like we might have stolen the car and run off, yeah?
Yeah.
Why do we want to stop and park close to the curb?
So there's more room for other people.
Yeah, and less chance of our car getting whacked as well, yeah?
Yeah.
So does that focal point work for you?
Yes.
Yeah, so did you maybe forget to use it?
Yeah, I just didn't think to look at it.
That's all right. You're doing brilliant though. Let's give it one more go.
Okay.
Before we maybe move on to going a little bit faster, do you think you can do it all on your own again?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a go. Lovely. Okay, a little bit more gas now. And just checking those mirrors because we're moving away, and we're just getting an update. What's behind us? Is anyone passing us? That sort of thing. Engines sound a little bit noisy. What are you thinking?
Do we need to change gear?
Yeah, go for it. Good. Well done. So we've got this grey car coming off the driveway. What are we thinking?
To just watch them, be careful.
Yeah, we're just going to be mindful of them. Whose priority is it, do you know?
Is it ours?
It's ours. But sometimes they can't see us, so they might come out, so we just got to be mindful of them. Our position, just coming away from the curb a little bit there. When you're looking at things like cars coming off driveways and other activity, it's got to be like very quick glances. You notice your steering went there a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to look to pull up on the left again shortly.
Okay.
Do you think you could do third gear?
Yeah.
Go for it then. Good. Brilliant. Okay. I'm going to check our mirror, come off the gas, and then we're going to look to pull up on the left after this road on the left. Okay. We've got another road on the right though, so we're going to pass this road on the right and then we're going to do it, I think.
Okay.
So let's start the routine now. Off the gas for me.
Yeah.
And then that's it, good. And then you want to stop behind that lorry ideally, don't go past it. Try and find a safe place where you'd stop.
Is here okay?
It's looking good, yeah. Good. Brilliant. Okay, how do you feel with that?
That was better, yeah.
We've got third gear there as well. We are running out of road now and it's getting a bit busier there, but you are kind of at a stage now where we can move on to turning left and turning right. We'd probably look to do that in your next lesson now.
Yeah.
We're kind of running out of time, so it's probably best that we head back to yours. We'll drop you off, but I would say in the next lesson, we'll definitely get on to turning left and right and maybe even emerging at T-junctions as well. And we'll keep working on that moving off and stopping a little bit, throwing that in there, getting you thinking about where to stop without my help.
Okay.
I mean, you've done that one quite well.
Yeah.
But where we go down some busier streets, it's going to be a bit more challenging for you.
Yeah, that's fine.
How did you feel? How did you feel the lesson went?
Really good, yeah.
Good. Okay, so we'll swap sides and
Okay.
then I'll drive you back to your house and then we'll get you booked in for your next lesson.
All right, thank you.
So before you open the door, just have a look in that mirror.
Yeah.
And then if there's no cars coming, we'll swap sides.
Okay.